my god, it's black.
Yeah. I'ma hang out with the misfits. Break bread with the peasants. Spend time with the loners. Raise hell up in heaven. Pick up with the dropouts. Get high with the have-nots. Stand up for the weak ones. Go to war with the standouts. I'ma get lit for the dark ones. I'ma get high for the dope fiends. I'ma get rich on you broke hoes.
Alright, so it's finally relatively warm enough to paint. What we're going to do is we're going to do a wrinkle black on it. I think that would look good. Make it look relatively close to, you know, a factory color or whatever. And the wrinkle paint should hold up to, you know, outside situations where rocks or whatever might be picked up on it and stuff like that. So, yeah. Let's do this. Okay, so before I start sanding this, I kind of want to show you like how these pieces kind of came out. This one here that I'm about to show you, I did probably like 4 coats of the wrinkle black paint. And this is what I ended up getting. So as you can see, there's like a spot there in the center that just came out super flat still. Like a lot of the pieces just like, it didn't really wrinkle. So I don't know if it was because the weather that I did, like that I did the painting in or whatnot, or what happened there. So we got the sander set up here. We've got medium grit paper, 150 grit, and we're gonna get started on this. I'm gonna hook you guys up to my head so you can watch a little bit of the sanding, but I'll probably time lapse everything. Alright, there's the second one. Damn good. So, what we're going to do now, we're going to clean this off a little bit. Yeah, brake cleaner should work fine. So we're just going to grab ourselves a rag here. So, we need to hang these bad boys up. Let's get a bungee cord. Got it on the basketball hoop there. That's pretty good there. Alright, we're gonna let that one sit for a minute. Got a little bit of a run there, but I think it might turn out pretty good. So let's go get this other one hung up and we'll get it sprayed as well. Alright, we're gonna let that sit for a minute, come back, check it out in about an hour. Here's these other ones that we did. Geared, I think. Yeah, just about ready to do the other side. Okay, and we're just gonna let all this sit for a bit. We'll come back and check them here in about an hour or so. And all that's already looking way better than that wrinkle paint. Super awesome. Exactly what I was looking for. Oh yeah, this is looking sweet. Only took me 10 years to build. So as you just saw there, we put the whole wing together after it was painted and everything. It really doesn't take too long to put on, 10 minutes or so. Everything is painted. So I mean, it's fairly dry for now, dry enough to touch, but it's not fully cured yet. So I decided to just put everything together so we can just stay on the car and let it cure that way. So yeah, let's take a look at it real quick. Actually, we're gonna put the lights in it first, and then I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. So, got all the tail lights back in, and everything's bolted up. And she's done. This is the final product here. Everything looks awesome. There's the pull pin up there so that you can pull it and basically just like lean this part of the wing back like we were showing previously. But everything came out nice. I really think that bed liner looks really, really good. It's honestly just like a pretty light coat. But just that light coat makes it have like a nice little rhinestone shimmer to it. So I think it came out amazing, and everybody that's seen it so far really digs it. So yeah, I really appreciate everybody who stayed tuned on this and checked out my custom build on my wing. I look forward to showing the car when show season comes back around, if that ever happens with COVID and everything like that. So if you're in the Colorado area, Colorado Springs area, you know, keep a lookout for the car, or you can check me out on Instagram. I'm called the Night Runner CRX with underscores in between each word. My wife will also be out with hers. So yeah, so don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification button so that way you get some notifications every time I post my videos. And we'll catch you on the next one. Oh, with that being said, the next thing that we're going to be doing is we're actually going to be reupholstering the door panels. I've got all the material that we need. I ordered some black bride fabric here, and I've also got some red bride fabric as well. So that's the next step. Yeah, I'll catch you all on the next one.